All right, you guys, a little post-storm update. So I was filming today's video, and in the middle of filming, I got rudely interrupted by the storm that came through, but I'm not complaining because we got a lot of rain with it. We did also get a little bit of hail, which wasn't needed, but it was pretty small. It was about dime size, and there wasn't a whole lot of it. So doesn't everything just look so fresh and clean after the rain? And I'm really hoping that it starts to knock down some of the pollen and all of that that's in the air right now, because pretty much everybody that I know's allergies are kicking their butts. It's just been so windy. So I was filming today's video, deadheading tulips, and I will get that out as soon as I can finish filming it. But here is a view of the big oak. It's looking really good. And you guys probably saw in my Instagram post yesterday that we had a branch of the maple break, which is right, I don't want to go too fast, right there. You can see it, not a big branch, minor loss, but it's just been so windy here that those things happen more often than I would like. You can see all the tulips that need to be deadheaded. I'm really far behind on that. And the tulips on the west side of the yard are pretty much completely fizzled out at this point. And luckily for us, the deadheading is more of a cosmetic thing here because tulips are considered annuals for us. So it's not imperative that we deadhead and don't let them go to seed, but it makes it look a little bit cleaner, and I do like that. So I typically do deadhead them, but I'm just really far behind. But I just wanted to give you guys a post-storm update. I will be posting some of the storm in this video that I recorded, and so hopefully that will suffice until I can get the tulip deadheading video out. We do have a lot this weekend to do, so there'll be a lot more content coming you guys' way. But yeah, everything's just so fresh and clean, and the rain smells so good, and that's really all I have. This wasn't the video that I was intending to put out today, but I will get that one out. And I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Happy hump day. We made it halfway through the week. Okay, well, I was hoping for rain, not hail and rain. Well, while I'm at it, I might as well give a post-storm backyard update. Not a lot has changed back here, and I will be giving you guys an update on the window box probably in Saturday's video. I'll be doing some hanging baskets, finally getting around to doing that. Don't mind that, it needs to go in the trash. That's my pile. Somebody asked in one of the last videos if all of this was maple helicopters, and the unfortunate answer to that is yes. The neighbor's tree back behind us is a maple, and they are absolutely everywhere. So just a little look at the raised beds after the rain. Thankfully we didn't get that much hail, didn't destroy anything, because that would be about my luck, is to get all of this stuff planted and then have a big hailstorm come through. But it was minor, and we got rain out of it, which was much needed for us. So very, very happy about that. Anyways, happy Wednesday, guys. We'll see you guys in the next video. I'll be putting a video out tomorrow, and I will also be putting a video out most likely on Saturday. So we will see you guys then.